Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making chocolate at home using cocoa powder. So let's get started. So first up, in a strainer I'm going to be adding in the cocoa powder, milk powder and the icing sugar. And I'm just going to strain this to make it finer. So any big lumps, just discard them. So now in a microwavable cup, I'm going to be taking some butter and I'm going to microwave it. So this has been microwaved. So now I'm going to be putting it back in the microwave to make it boiling hot. And now to this hot butter we're going to be adding in the cocoa mixture that we made earlier. So just mix it thoroughly to prevent lumps. And keep on doing this with the rest of your cocoa mixture. So now take a look at this, it is ready. But just to ensure that there are no more lumps, I'm going to be using a whisk just to make the mixture a bit more finer and prevent any more lumps. You want to ensure that this mixture is very smooth, so make sure that your chocolate is very smooth. So now into the molds I'm going to be adding in this chocolate mixture. You can use any molds, you can even use an ice cube tray if you have no molds with you. I'm using a silicone mold here. So just going to fill up all the molds with this chocolate mixture. So now you're going to put it in the freezer for 1 hour to set. So after it has been set, you can remove it from the molds easily. Since this is a silicone mold, you can just push it from the bottom and just release it easily. So now our chocolate is now ready. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you liked it, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.